Hey there DIYers, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a review of dust-proof water bottles. So let's get right into it. All right, so I've been in the search for the perfect dust-proof water bottle, cooler thermos for my drinking while I'm out working in the yard, and mainly when I'm either doing weed eating or mowing, where I'm stirring up a lot of either like the grass splatter or the dust that's coming up from the mower. The problem I ran into was the previous water bottle I was using, the thermos, was that it just had an internal screw-in cap, and so the whole exterior where you would put your mouth was being exposed, and so it was like literally had all kinds of splatter matter on it. And so I ended up having to like use my shirt. Of course my shirt's dirty, I had nothing clean to really, so it was not the best situation. So I always had issues with trying to get a good clean drink without getting junk in my mouth. So I've been on this search. So what I did was, let me move these two out of the way. I got this one and I thought this was going to solve my problem. So this is a 20 ounce and this is a fan haul, and I really am not concerned about the ability of them to keep cool, because I'm only working out in the yard a few hours, 3-4 max, and I've already gone through one of the fluids, so I'm actually in to replenish before it even has a chance to even the ice to melt. So they're all good in that regard, that they keep things nice and cool, and you don't have to worry about that. But the problem I run into again is that the dust gets on there. So because this had actually a flip top, I was thinking, oh awesome, this cover is going to keep the mouth portion clean, which it does to a point. And what I mean to a point is that, okay, so you can see here that this has a rubber seal on the inside there, and then even one for the aerator, the breather. So it is sealed, so there's no way that any kind of contaminants are going to get down inside the drink. But the problem is because this around the edge here is not like really sealed with a rubber gasket or anything, dust gets in there. And the last time it actually had all the weed splatter, little granules of grass and stuff that were all up in here, of course. So I had to wipe around here to get that to clean, and then take my drink. And so this one, although I thought it was going to serve my purpose, it's not. I even went back through and I put some rubber coating around here to try to help seal it, and that didn't help. A couple of features I liked about this was that one, it had that, and you could actually flip this up so it would lock it in place, so you don't have to worry about it flipping up while you're working and drink spills out or contaminant gets in there. So that was nice. It's got this nice rubber grip around it, so it makes it easy to put it on and off. And also that it had this flip up. Of course, this is kind of cheap plastic. I was afraid this was going to break on me already, but here you can see some grass splatter, even though I washed this, thought I did. Anyway, so I use this, especially when I'm weed eating. I'll put a carabiner on my belt loop and this will hang from me, and then so this is there, and I'm able to just grab it and drink. So this one, while I thought it was going to work, it's really not. So there was literally all kinds of splatter, contaminant, dust all around here, and I just didn't, that wasn't good for me. So did some searching, and I spent a few hours actually on different websites, and I found both of these on Amazon. Not tried out either one of them yet, so today's my test. At least it's it's a mild test, because I will be doing some riding, mowing, and I'm gonna fill both of these up with my drink and take them with me, and then see which one stays the cleanest. So let me go over these real quick and show you what they have. So I got both of these on sale on Amazon. They were both just under $22. I think one was $21.59, the other one was $21.99. So This one is a 22 ounce and this is a 24 ounce. And so the Gatorades or the Powerades that I get are 20 ounce. So, you know, it fills them up and I can put in a few ice cubes just to keep it cool. So they both have the flip top carry ring, so I can hook my carabiner on. That's nice. So let me go ahead and go to this one. This one is the ELLO, E-L-L-O, and it's got a nice, it's not smooth, it's got kind of this, I don't know what you want to call that, like a powder coating type of fill. It's easy to grasp. One thing I like about this is this has a locking mechanism, so when that is forward, you can't open it. So again, it's going to keep it from popping open. So you can flip that and now you can push this, boom, pops open. So I'm hoping that this has a better seal around it because it actually recedes inside a little bit. So I'm hoping this has a little better way of containing that. So within embedded on the lid is the spot here to cover the mouthpiece, and then this covers up the breather hole, so it still does in fact protect it from getting any contaminants down in. So even if there was anything to get up around here, at least getting down into the container itself, inner chamber, is going to be protected. But this I'm hoping will work. But so we have this method, and then the other thing is that this actually came with a replacement, or not a replacement, but so this was the drink system, this is the chug system. So this has a bigger chug, and so what you would do, of course, you would put that on there, and then this just goes on there. And again, this could hook on the carabiner, so I'm still good there. But this doesn't look like it has a rubber seal or gasket around it. Now it's possible that I could get a O-ring or a rubber gasket, something in here to protect this area, because this is like, so I'm gonna be chugging, I'm gonna have my mouth right over the top of this, and then I don't want my bottom lip to be hitting this that has a whole bunch of dust or splatter matter on it. So I think, like, see, if I filled this with foam, that would then keep all that out, and I think this may work. This, I'm questioning whether this lid's gonna keep stuff out of here. We'll see. But I think this one, if I alter it and put that foam, put foam inside here, put something in there to keep it from getting, this may be my answer. But anyway, so there's that. Now, onto this one. This is the Zulu, and this is the 24 ounce. This is the biggest one of all. This one has actually a nice rubber bottom, so it like grips. So if you put it on something, it's not going to slide off. So that's a good feature. And again, it's got this for the carabiner, and this also has the locking mechanism, so it's going to keep it from popping open if you gets bumped into. And again, this is rubber around here, which is nice. So if you push this, of course, boom, that pops open, right? And so this is a drink system. So this one, rather than like the other one where the inner lid recedes inside, this sets down inside. And so it's possible that this may keep the contaminants from coming inside this rubber part, because this whole part right here is like that soft silicone rubber. And so hopefully this will do a good job of keeping contaminant, dust, splatter matter from getting inside there. So we've got that, right? And the other thing that this has, and this doesn't affect one way or another of having contain the dust or whatever, but it's also got a chug. So it's got the drink one, which I think this has a straw. Yes, it has a straw. Actually, the straw's embedded. So whether I replace this with actually it looks like, yeah, the chug will just go right there, and so it's going to just allow the drink, whereas the drink one, actually this goes up over the straw portion there, and so it's just the preference whether you want to chug or just get a drink through the straw. I think the straw is going to be fine. We'll see, but I may switch over to the chug depending. But again, I think they're both going to do really good as far as keeping the drink cool. So at this point, it's going to be a test as to which of the 3 types of covers is going to protect my drink lid the best away from dust and splatter matter from weed eating. So we'll put this to the test and come back for my final results. Stay tuned. All right, so I just got to mow in the yard, and you can see these things got pretty dusty. I drank out of both of them, and neither one of them really had any dust on them. But of course, I had to lock them because they were banging around. And so let's open this one up. And man, I see just a hint of dust on it. Oh, Gatorade. All right. So that one, that one did pretty good. Let's check this one out now. And pop. And this one did pretty good too. It's like, I see, you see all this dust here, but nothing really in here. Looks like I think both of these did a pretty good job. I'm almost thinking, well, at the base of this one I can see there's some dust in there. But man, tell you that, yeah, I see dust at the base of both of these, but they did considerably better than that other brand, that other one that I had. Man, I got this one all dirty. This is brand new, and look how dirty it is. I have to give it a good wash. I got it banged up, scratched up, but hey, that's what they're for. Be out there while I'm working. So I think overall these both did exceptionally well. Now I'll be interested to try this one with the chug with the screw on tap. If I put foam around that inside, that should keep it. So that'll be the next one I try. But tell you, I think I've got thumbs up for either the Elo or the Zulu. These are both really good for reducing the amount of dust that gets into your drink mouth area. So I'll put a link down below for both of these. I've already got that one scratched up pretty good. But hey, they're doing the job, so I'm happy. This is I'm really happy that they both seem like they'll do the job. So I'll continue to use these two. That other one I'm not going to use anymore, at least not while I'm out working in the dust and the splatter mess. So yeah, I give a thumbs up for both these. So if you like this content, please comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and until next time,